In a bustling city, a passionate foodie named Alex started a food truck after being laid off. With a modest savings and a dream, they crafted a unique menu blending international flavors. The key was social media marketing, which showcased vibrant dishes and delighted customers. As word spread, lines grew longer, attracting food critics and regulars alike. In less than 2 years, Alex transitioned from a food truck to a brick-and-mortar restaurant, winning awards for culinary excellence and community engagement. This inspiring story illustrates how a simple idea, fueled by determination, can lead to entrepreneurial success.